Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to part 2. Let's check out My Khe Beach. Let's check out how it looks at the moment here, right at the beach clubs. I'm excited. What's new? Is the one beach club finally done? We will find out today. There's one construction site that I'm super hyped about because it's gonna look so good. And yeah, I really wanna see if it's done or if we're getting closer. I mean, there was TED, so not many people worked the last week, pretty much no one. But 3 weeks ago, I was gone for 1 month, so it should be some progress here. And high season is right around the corner, so they should hurry up to get all the good, juicy high season revenue. It's sunset time. Absolutely love the breeze here on the beach. It's a perfect temperature, especially here in the shade. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's like a nice breeze. It's just phenomenal. There's also a very popular Michelin recommended seafood restaurant here. They also have breakfast. Interesting. It's nice actually. Think about it. You can have breakfast here on the beach in a nice seating. I gotta try it out one day. Oh boy, that's deep. Oh, that's what she said. Oh, check this out. It's the time of the day. We have some music going on. What time is it now? It's 5 o'clock, guys. It's 5 o'clock. We're end of February, getting into March soon. Vietnamese New Year is over. It's a new year, the year of the horse. It's gonna be a great year. Always think positive. If this is the year you're gonna travel more, it's gonna be the best year for that. I'm actually excited to be now 2 months here. I do, however, want to go to some other cities in Vietnam, but I'm gonna try to not fly, because I'm so sick and tired of flying. I absolutely hate it, to be honest. I will avoid flying for everything. I cannot see an airport anymore, but maybe that's just me talking now, 3 days from my last flight. Usually around 2 months into being here, I want to go again, fly around. But yeah, this is an Indian restaurant on the beach, guys. Did you ever had, what is it called again? Butter chicken and garlic naan on the beach? I might do it, man. I might do it. Maybe I'm gonna get some British lads, and I think it's Curry Fridays, right? Back then, when I had the majority of all my friends here in Da Nang, when I came here the first year, are only English guys. I only had English friends here from the United Kingdom. But yeah, and then we had Fridays for Curry Fridays. There were not many Indian restaurants for 3 years ago, but I checked this one out. It's still not done, guys. I'm very sad. But this looks fantastic. It's like a bohemian dream. I mean, just ignore the trash here, but they will definitely remove that. But look at this, how beautiful that already looks. It does not look like they changed anything 1 month. Since 1 month, they didn't do anything. So yeah, efficiency level 0. It's the beautiful Esco Beach here. This is what you always see on the reels. This here. Woo! It's pretty empty. I don't understand why. It's usually it's packed. It doesn't mean what does it mean? I don't know. Not many people here? Oh, maybe they are upstairs in the AC. But at the moment, to be honest, it's not hot here. You can easily hang out there. There's also one pool, but it's a little bit awkward to be in there. But this is how it looks. Look, check this out, guys. This is gonna be a model. This is gonna be, I don't know. I already see this is gonna be my spot. Upstairs there. Maybe they make a pool here, infinity pool, or just a random pool. It has to be an infinity pool. Guys, it's gonna look so good. So it is connected to the Japanese restaurant, guys. So the Japanese restaurant is here, but this here is something else. So the Japanese restaurant ends here, this part. And 3 years ago, this whole thing was a Japanese restaurant. I had sushi here with my wife back then already, 3 years ago. We had it here. It was beautiful, but I think it's gonna be even nicer now. I also had a date night over here at this place. Food was good. Very beautiful view, but look at this. Again, influencer, it's crazy. Every time I come here, or when I was there were so many people making photos. I'm not sure why, but maybe, I don't know. It's so weird. All the time. And so many. But it is actually good food, not expensive at all, but the only problem is it's too windy now. So sitting there, right at the spot, it's gonna be very windy and you're gonna feel a little bit cold. So be aware of that. I think in the high summer heat it might be better, but it's very windy here at the moment too. So this place here is a little bit better. I forgot the name. I forgot the name, but it's right next to East West Brewery. And sometimes we stream over there. It's also very nice. Sunset time, it's not that busy. Also above East West Brewing is a nice little rooftop also. And it's called The Roof. And it's from a friend, Charlie actually. I gotta go there. They made it very nice now. Maybe I gotta go there more often. I'm not that often here to be honest, but look at this. It's very busy over there. You can also drive with the motorbike very close to here. So maybe that's why it's also very busy here, especially now when the sun is gone. I think when those two towers are built, it's gonna be magnificent. If they're gonna have condo buildings there, finally. Da Nang is still missing out on those high-rise condo buildings, but they're more and more getting finished this year, I think. But the majority of those high-rises are all hotels. Actually, they are all hotels. I think, if I'm not wrong, maybe a local can confirm that. Here in Da Nang, they have to have the hotel on the beachfront, or have at least a hotel part of it. So there are some rooms you can rent out for long term, like here at this tower, a la carte, for example. Some people live there, but there's this one beach club. Lots of my viewers who live there, they moved out. That's why, because it was too loud. The bus was too loud. So now we are here at the yoga mat. Lots of people doing calisthenics or this rope thingy. Forgot the name. And I think acro yoga or normal yoga. Yes, it's the thing where you do yoga as a partner and throw around the lighter person. So many yogis here. It's crazy. It's packed. Content creator everywhere. It's funny, when I did my first video, there was literally no one making videos here in this place. Now it's getting more and more popular. Also Instagram and TikTok. In all kinds of countries, right? So it's not only you think, okay, oh yeah, Sammy, you're getting so many people here to Da Nang. Come on. I'm doing monotone walking tours. No one ever watching this video will say, you know what, Margaret, let's pack our bags and move here. That's it. No, it's not. You usually already know about Da Nang, and that's why you're watching these videos. Or you have been here and you're just missing it and you want to see it. That's actually, I know that feeling too. That's why I'm watching guys. I'm watching a guy, I think he's American, he called Rope Monster. I love watching his videos. It's similar to mine. He's walking around just the old streets I lived in, and I'm like, I just want to see how it looks. I want to see the ocean, how it is at the moment. So I think that's why many of you also watch this channel. I do the same. Not about Da Nang though, but Playa del Carmen. I'd still try to get to Playa del Carmen this year somehow with my wife. I wouldn't want to go alone, but with my wife I would want to go. Show her my old spots where I stayed. So this is the big bad pink problem. The big pink problem. So if you live here and they thinking like, you know what, let's blast out the techno. So now this is not loud at the moment. And the problem is not the noise, it's the bass. And they have it very long into the nighttime. So this pink, beautiful beast is a huge issue. And I don't even know if they make enough money. I've never seen anyone here, even in the evening. So they're just blasting out noise for nothing. But yeah, this is the beautiful Phuoc My beach here. Phuoc My? Phuoc My? Phuoc My? Yeah, check this out, guys. This is also a very beautiful display always, with different kind of art here. And in the summer, this place completely develops into a huge festival zone, okay? So here they always have free concerts, to be honest. Some big brand beer companies usually sponsor this huge event here. And usually there's a stage over there, and then everything is free. You have electronic music, different kinds of things happening here. Even my wife had a big Zumba session here one time. And yeah, but this is also used always for beautiful display of Vietnamese flowery art. Love it. The Vietnamese know how to do these nice things here to make photos. Soncha Eco Tourism Seaboard did this. Nice. Hanoi was so nice. The flowers in Hanoi, my God, beautiful. But yeah, this is also very beautiful here. Very nice display. Sometimes they also have some beer branded stands here, and it usually starts in the high season, May, June. I would say June is like, June, July is peak high season. If you want to come in July, be aware of the International Fireworks Festival. If you are not into fireworks, then skip it. So don't come here, because the hotel prices and the availability is gonna be off the roof on these days, okay? So if you're not into that, just go somewhere else. Meanwhile, maybe go to Hue or so. or Hoi An. But yeah. Or just skip the last weekend International Fireworks Festival. That's pretty crazy though. It is very beautiful, but I cannot watch fireworks so many times after each other. For me, it's enough one time, maybe. I think I'm gonna travel next time in July. I did a review about this hotel. This is also hotel, 15 floors of hotel, and then condo buildings. You can buy condos over there, but it's not cheap, guys, compared to renting. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here, and see you in the next vlog.